Hi everyone, this is Kendra and the Bunnies channel. That makes you a bunny, and I am Kendra. Well, I'm also a bunny too. Welcome back. Today we're doing an unboxing for another Monster audio product. These are so good. The sound quality is amazing. The bass is good. The high notes are good. It keeps everything under the clipping level, yet it gets really, really loud. So let's try these out. I wanted to mention thank you everyone who's been subscribing and liking these videos. Monster Achieve 100 Air Links wireless in-ear headphones. It looks like they've got like this water element here, so they must be like water resistant or something. Pure Monster sound, Bluetooth, water resistant. And these stay charged for 25 hours. These come with a case. This is also going to be the case that you charge it in by putting your Bluetooth earbuds right here. And then you will plug in. Oh, cool. So it comes with some extra, I want to call these ear gummies. They come with extra soft shells for the, what are these called? Like earphone covers or whatever, with a charging cable that is a USB-A to a USB-C. The USB-C is going to plug in here, and upon plugging it in, it will start to charge, and you will see when it is completely charged with the 4 dots being lit up on the outside. So it came with some extra ones of these and these too. I gotta say, these are pretty soundproof. Like it's creating a silence in my ears that I absolutely love. Here we go. We've got the Monster Archive 100 Air Links Connect. Super comfy. You had me looking like a fool for gold. Okay, touch it once and that will pause it. Calling. So short press the MFB button to answer and end the phone call. Long press about 2 seconds to reject the phone call. So if a phone call is coming in, you want to pick it up, quick press. Hang up, quick press once you're done with that phone call. If you want to reject the call, long press. And just get back to the music.